Hello YouTube and welcome to a short Techsloth video. Today I've got something special because in here is a OnePlus backpack. And yes, it was only possible because of you guys, because some of you used my OnePlus code, the discount code, to buy there, and I earned points, and now I've had only to pay shipping costs, which were around €7, and I did not have to pay the €80 for this backpack. And we have now a closer look at this thing. It comes in this nice bag. I don't know why you put a backpack into a bag. So let's pull it out, and yes, it's this gray, I don't know, more something gray. This is the design version of the backpack. There's also a black version. The black version is more water resistant and more resistant against cutting, up to 10 times more cutting resistant than this one here. But therefore this looks nicer, okay? You get 3 different colors. You got this gray, green, and this red, orange, brown thing. But I think this is nicer than the black version. I myself am now using for over or around 2 years the Timbuktu Uptown backpack, which is a really nice backpack. In my opinion, I took it with me everywhere. 3 compartments on the front, 1 laptop compartment on the back side, and my only complaint is that after around 18 months, 20 months, on the back side, I get this, it starting to peel off, but still one of the nicest backpacks I ever owned. So, but now, of course, I will keep this in mind for the next couple of days and weeks. I will be using the OnePlus backpack, and let's take the tour around. On the back side, first of all, you get this pass-through, see-through thing for if you want to put the backpack on a trolley. So this is okay. There are no hidden pockets on the back for maybe your credit cards, for your ID card, for your passport. No, nothing, no hidden pockets. But what also is on the back side is a compartment for your laptop, I guess. So in here should easily fit a 13 and up to a 15-inch laptop. So this shouldn't be a problem at all. It's stuffed, yes, so a little bit security against bumps should be there. This is everything that I can see on the backpack. I have to say the zippers look a little bit tiny, and if I'm now opening and closing them, it's a little bit, oh, this one is already open. So this is our front pocket, which is again just one small pocket, or it's big enough to fit, I don't know, all your cables, all your charger, maybe even, yes, without no problem with fitting 2 paper books in here as well. Then you get 2 additional pockets, and overall the whole backpack should have 12 pockets. So let's count. We got maybe 1 on the back side. Now we get 2, 3, and 4. Okay. This is here. Then we got 1 hidden pocket on the side. Did we get, no, only 1 on the side up here. This is a little bit hidden, so this is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not, no, oh, this is roomy. Again, you wouldn't fit a book in here, but again, you could fit in chargers here. I wouldn't put in here my my wallet or anything like that, because it's on the back side of the backpack. So everybody, it's not that easily to reach here, but it's not on the comfortable side of the backpack. I really would have wished for a secret compartment on this side. So this was 5. Now let's open up the big compartment here. Again, those zippers are a little bit tiny. Oh, there we go. Oh no. This is, I don't know, a cloth bag, which is not attached anywhere in here, and you can't really attach it. So you got this cloth bag with 2 zippers. So again, you got 2 compartments. I'm not sure if they're counting these as well. So it's nice to have to get your, I don't know, shirts in here, also some that you don't get something dirty with, maybe shoes or whatever you put in here. Then we got, so the whole thing is number 6. Then we got here an additional pocket, which is not the same as on the front side. No, this is separate. Again, roomy, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and then this would be 9 and 10. So still, oh, 2 pockets are missing, and I now know where they are. So this is roomy, this is nice. This is also again protected on the bottom. The only thing I don't like is, you can't machine wash the backpack. And this line in additional zipper information thingy, not zipper thingy, but information cloth thingy here is not really helpful and does not look like, because it's already looked like it's been used for a couple of years, especially compared to the nice white label here where you can put your name and your phone number if you wish to. Oh, and here we got another compartment. So this is number 11 if I count this correctly. So you got another place for maybe a tablet. Okay. And we got 2 more bags on the side. So one and another one on this side. And I'm not sure if you can fit in a complete water bottle with ease in here, because this is not elastic. This is just static. It's not moving that well. But you can see I can put a water bottle, or in this case a juice bottle, in here. Maybe I can put some sun lotion on the other side as well. Yes, this works. Can I put some lotion as well in here too? Okay, you would maybe be able to fit in a water bottle here. Half a liter water bottle should fit, but it's not elastic. So this is it. First impression. Not really a lot of compartment or a lot of pockets. I don't really think I will be using this cloth bag. I don't know actually why. Okay, I can imagine so that you don't get your things dirty, that you can pull your clothes out. Maybe you could if you're going on an airplane and you got normally you got your see-through Ziploc bag for all your liquids. Maybe you can put them here as well, but I don't think so, because you have to get your liquids in those see-through zipper bags and put them separately on the band, or show them separately, I don't know. But this is it. First impression, yes, nice backpack. I'm really happy that I got it for free. I'm not yet convinced that it is worth 80 euros, but we will see this in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!